Hey everyone, we're out here in Carrollton, Texas, on one of the biggest foundation repair jobs we've taken on this season. This house had been slowly sinking almost 10 inches, and the signs were everywhere. Uneven floors, visible cracks, and door frames that wouldn't close. The kind of damage that creeps in over time until one day, it can't be ignored anymore. For the past 2 days, it's been non-stop digging. Our crew has been opening up access points all around the perimeter. But that's just the beginning. Today we're moving inside, excavating through the interior of the home to reach key structural points that simply couldn't be accessed from the outside. That's something most homeowners don't expect. But in a job this size, it's the only way to make sure the house is lifted safely and evenly. In total, we're installing 69 hybrid piers. That means combining the best of steel and concrete technology to stabilize the foundation, pier by pier, with precision, depth, and durability. But we're not just stopping at the foundation. This project also involves replacing the old cast iron water pipes with PVC, which means more excavation. Carefully done to protect the home, but necessary to bring everything up to code and make sure the repairs don't stop at the surface. It's easy to underestimate how connected everything is beneath a home. Foundation, plumbing, drainage. So when we're on a project like this, we don't just fix what's visible, we go deeper, literally, because peace of mind comes from knowing it was all done the right way. We're looking at a full week of intense work, with a crew that knows every inch counts. Every measurement, every lift, every correction we make brings this home one step closer to being safe, level, and ready for years to come. If you've ever wondered what real foundation repair looks like, this is it. Not just the dramatic lifts or the closing cracks, but the process, the planning, the people behind it. Stay tuned to see the transformation, because we're not just raising a house, we're restoring the confidence of a family that lives inside. Let's get it done.